Hello YouTubers, millionaires, multimillionaires. My name is Ali, and on this channel we talk about making money online using affiliate marketing. If this is something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and continue on watching. I do have free training for you guys. If you're interested in giving up or walking away from your 9 to 5 and you're just not happy with where you are right now and you're looking for an alternative, I have a solution for you. It's absolutely free. But I do want to mention something. By the way, just say interested in the comment below, and I'll be more than happy to send you some information. This is for the action takers. But just remember, guys, nothing gonna happen unless you take action. You have to take action. And in life, you only get what you give. So try to work hard, put out content, share the knowledge that you have. I'm pretty sure you have something that you're very good at and someone else looking for that solution. So if you can give some value that's going to improve someone's life, why not do that? Because people need help. You need help. We can all share the knowledge and help uplift each other. Again, leave a comment below, say interested, and I'll be more than happy to send you guys some free training on how to start your online business. It's not that difficult, guys. All you got to do is just be an action taker. Don't be a procrastinator. When I first started an online, my online marketing business, I used to jump from one video to another, and without taking any action, and basically procrastinating, and I wasn't seeing any results. But now that I'm taking action, I'm seeing a lot of results, and I wish you guys would do the same thing. I'll talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.